You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Morty Durham Jr. The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is his courtroom. This is Judge Morty.
All right, thank you. Court is calling 2025 CR 006467 State versus Walter Prince. Could I have parties announced for the state? Defense?
Joseph Appelt for the defense.
And are you Mr. Prince? All right, your attorney is appearing by Zoom. Do you have any objections to his appearing by Zoom? All right. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I believe I've received all discovery, Your Honor, and I have an opportunity to review with Mr. Prince, and we have discussed it several times.
All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Prince, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you weigh the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
To an extent, we're proceeding on count one and we're waiving count two, and then we are proceeding on the enhancement allegations as well.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Prince, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000. Normally, that's a state jail felony. The range of punishment would be anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If the state is able to prove beyond a reasonable doubt the enhancements, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Prince, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and not allowed re-entry into the United States. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count one. They're waiving count two. You are to agree that you've been previously convicted of one or two or more felonies for purposes of enhancement. Punishments be assessed at a cap of 7 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state opposes your application. There's to be restitution to the complainant, if any, and no contact with UTHSC except for medical treatment. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
That is my understanding, Your Honor.
State?
That is, Your Honor, and just for clarification, it was UT Health Science Center is what UTHSC stands for.
Yes. Did you review the document? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, did you understand you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
There have not been any such motions.
Then to the offense is charged in count one. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? To the enhancements, how do you plead? True or not true? And that's true to both enhancements? State any evidence to support the plea?
Yes, ma'am. State offers into evidence states exhibit 1 with its attachments.
No objections from the defense, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports and judgments, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudications. The court will find the enhancements true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Counsel, are you requesting a PSI?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, I need a PSI date, please. And TAP evaluation. All right, December 16th. Is there a need for a MIC evaluation, counsel?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Just meet with probation and they'll tell you what you need to do. And once you sign the reset form, you're excused. You're welcome.